Introducing ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1, the most advanced and cost-effective piezoelectric ultrasonic surgery system available for implantology, endodontics, periodontics, and general dentistry. Manufactured by Bonart Company and distributed by Do Well Dental Products, doing business as Apex USA Instruments in the United States. ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 offers the most advanced ultrasonic bone cutting system at an affordable price. ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 is an ultrasonic bone cutting system that is driven by piezoelectric technology. The OP1 system is designed for osteotomy and osteoplasty used in implantology, periodontology, endodontics, and orthodontic surgery. The handpiece features elaborate cutting capabilities for surgical precision and intraoperative sensibility. The ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 is equipped with an automatic gain closed-loop control circuit that makes tips and inserts vibrate in the best frequency to ensure they work consistently at optimal power and efficiency. The large LCD screen displays the percentage of water used in relation to input power, and the flow rate automatically adjusts according to the power setting. This allows for convenient operating and eliminates the possibility of setting the wrong flow rate. All system functions can be activated from the control interface LCD touchscreen and shuttle dial. Each ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 also comes with a Bluetooth wireless pedal. The Bluetooth technology is coded to prevent interference and allows numerous systems to be used together in a closed-circuited room. The ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 is outfitted with an efficient water supply pump. This makes the flushing and cooling quieter, more efficient, and removes the need for an external water source. A one-touch wash and clean function automatically cleans the handpiece and tip. The flushing function can be activated or stopped by pressing the on or off icons on the screen or by rotating the shuttle dial. The cleaning function takes no more than 5 minutes. The ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 comes with an 8-piece basic bone surgery kit, and any additional or special tips are available upon request. Tips are made to be compatible with major brands like Metron's Piezo Surgery System, among a few others. The kit also comes with 2 autoclavable handpieces. The system is covered by an 18-month limited warranty on the internal electrical module and components, and the piezo handpiece. All expendable parts and accessories, including the tips, cables, foot control, and power cords, are covered by a 120-day warranty period. For further information about the ARTeotomy PiezoArt OP1 Piezoelectric Ultrasonic Surgery System, go to www.bonartmed.com.